We're Husky dogs. Oh, now they're gonna chase. They only chase coming one way. Hey, you guys, you better not chase. Hey, stop chasing my truck. That's crazy. We super got caught in the storm. Dogs were chasing us? You high beamed them?
They were set to high beam.
Oh.
And then you were driving the truck all day.
That was high beaming everybody all day. Yeah, the dogs are chasing us. Look, we can't even see the river. Mommy might have to take over driving again. No, you got it? Sketch though, holy. That great gate. Gotta turn our furnace on.